Tornado warning again!
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Portage and Stark. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for southern Portage County, northeastern Stark County until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Hartville, or 10 miles southeast of Akron, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ravenna, Hartville, Kent, Alliance, Brimfield, and Lemaville.